Good morning, mathematicians. Today is Wednesday, June 10th, 2020. We will begin our math lesson. Our lesson objective is I can use addition and subtraction to solve word problems. Let's go ahead and get started with our number talk. Your number of the day is 173. Go ahead and draw 173 in picture form. Tell us what is 1 more, 1 less, 10 more, and 10 less than 173. Solve the equations 173 plus 8 equals blank, 173 minus 50 equals blank, 173 minus blank equals 100. Then go ahead and write the number in expanded form, hundreds, tens, and ones. Write a number that is greater than 173 and a number that is less than 173. Once you have finished, go ahead and press play to continue with our video. Welcome back, mathematicians. Go ahead and let's warm up singing and moving along to this song about subtraction. Are you ready?
Subtraction, action, this is how you play. Move your body and take away. When you subtract things, you get the difference. Let's do subtraction, move and have fun. 4 bald eagles are gliding through the air. 2 bald eagles fly down and land somewhere. How many bald eagles are gliding through the air? 4 minus 2 equals 2. 3 alligators are swimming in the lake. 2 alligators go on the grass and take a break. How many alligators are swimming in the lake? 3 minus 2 equals 1. 10 fast runners are running in a race. 5 fast runners finish at record pace. How many fast runners are still running in the race? 10 minus 5 equals 5. 8 bodybuilders are pumping up some weights. 5 bodybuilders stop and take a break. How many bodybuilders are still pumping up some weights? 8 minus 5 equals 3. Subtraction, action, this is how you play. Move your body and take away. When you subtract things, you get the difference. Let's do subtraction, move and have.
Excellent job, mathematicians. A little review. Remember, this week we are focusing on problem-solving steps. We read the problem. Next, we tell what you know and what you need to know. Then we write an equation that matches the action in the problem. And last, we use models, hundreds charts, mental math, or another strategy or tool that you know in order to help you solve the problem. Let's watch this video with a word problem about superheroes. Pay attention to the steps this teacher follows to solve, especially how he explains the possible equations that can match the problem.
14 superheroes met on the moon for a top-secret gathering. Fascinating. 3 of them turned out to be evil villains in disguise, though. How many were real superheroes? Real superheroes. So pause this video and see if you can figure this out. Now you've had your try. Let's work on it together. So 14 superheroes met on the moon. So let's write that down. 14 met on the moon. I'll put a little circle around it like that. So 14 met on the moon. Now, of that 14, they tell us that 3 of them turned out to be evil villains in disguise. So 3 of them are evil villains. So of the 14, we're either dealing with the 3 evil villains or we're dealing with real superheroes. One way to think about it is the 14 are made up of evil villains or real superheroes. So this question mark right over here, this is the real superheroes. This is what we need to figure out. And so this relationship could be written in different ways. You could write that the 3 villains plus the question mark real superheroes plus the question mark real superheroes is going to be equal to the total number of characters that met on the moon. Or you could say, well, if 3 plus question mark is 14, well then 14 minus 3 is going to be equal to question mark. And you see it right over here. The 14 is made up of 3 and question mark. So if you get rid of if you take 14 minus 3, you're just going to be left with the number of real superheroes. So what's 14 minus 3? Well, there's several ways you could do this, but the one way is, well, let's see, 14 minus 1 is going to be 13, 14 minus 2 is 12, 14 minus 3 is 11. So we have 11 is equal to question mark, or question mark is equal to 11, or there are 11 real superheroes.
Thank you for watching attentively. Now that we review how to solve problems using the steps, let's go ahead and practice solving this problem. You will need a pencil and a paper to solve. Tracy has a box of 60 granola bars and packs one in her lunchbox every day. After a few weeks, she looks in the box and sees only 10 granola bars left. How many granola bars has Tracy eaten so far? Pause the video and solve the problem. Once you're ready, press play to check your work. Welcome back, mathematicians. Let's go ahead and check your work using the problem-solving steps below. First, we read the problem. Tracy has a box of 60 granola bars and packs one in her lunchbox every day. After a few weeks, she looks in her box and sees only 20 granola bars left. How many granola bars has Tracy eaten so far? Next, tell what you know and what you need to know. We know that Tracy had 60 granola bars and now she has 20. We need to know how many she ate. Then we write an equation that matches the action in the problem. You could have written 60 minus 20 equals blank, or you could have written 20 that she has left plus the ones she ate must equal 16 that were in the box. Then you used your chart or your model or mental math or another strategy and tool to solve it. Therefore, the answer would be 60 minus 20 equals 40. Tracy ate 40 granola bars. Go ahead and give yourself a check if that's what you have. If not, go ahead and fix it now. All right, mathematicians, this is your problem to solve independently. Kilmar is helping at his school bake sale. At first, Kilmar counts 86 brownies at the table. While he is there, he sells 53 brownies. How many brownies are left? Think, who is the problem about? Kilmar? Where is he? He's at school, right? In a bake sale. What do we know? We know that Kilmar counted 86 brownies at the table. Then he sells 53 brownies. What do we need to know, or what is the question? How many brownies are left? All right, mathematicians, get to work. Be sure to show me your thinking or your tool or your strategy. Send a picture of your work through Class Dojo. I can't wait to see it. Bye-bye.